about the water, and we cannot make health claims. So what can we say about the water as far as the what we can?
Well, let's start with saying the following,
okay,
which we've said all along, but now we can say the water has antioxidant effects in vivo. In vivo means in a living being, in our case, human beings. That antioxidant effect can be measured in a single human tissue culture. And that's how we began the whole thing. And that's important because now it's out of the test tube, but into the test person. That water has an antioxidant effect in Jim Gilliland, Fred Brown, and Horst Filzer, or anybody else who drinks it. The second thing that you can say unequivocally is that this water has an anti-inflammatory effect. If you look at 90% of the diseases that we are suffering from in our society, inflammation is the bottom line. It is the causative factor for 90% of all the illnesses that we suffer as living human beings. And so to be able to say that the water that you drink out of your SD501 has an anti-inflammatory effect is profound, because side by side, that water coming out of your tap doesn't do that. And we've proven that again in human tissue culture. Furthermore, in human tissue culture, we've been able to show that when this water is ingested into a living human person, the mitochondria, which are called organelles, they are the subset parts within the human cell, also known as the engine of the cell. These are the little things that produce energy in our cell. And these mitochondria are upregulated with Kangen Water 9.5, and even more so with stronger. But be that as it may be, our metabolism is positively affected in energy production by this water.